Okay. I'm a little bit nervous for this video. It is currently 10:50. Currently 10:50 p.m. And if you haven't noticed, if you're new to the channel and everything, I just got this new backdrop and I'm just testing the waters, testing all of this out. So hopefully this is better quality than what I was working with before. If not, I'm sorry. I'll probably invest in another backdrop just to shake things up a little bit. I'm slowly just kind of improving my channel bit by bit. And another huge announcement in the YouTube community is that Sister James Charles has released a palette with Morphe. Now, I got mine yesterday. I arrived at my local Ulta about 8 after, just because I had to stop for gas. The light was literally on, and I'm sorry, James, but I cannot be stranded on the side of the road for you. I haven't created anything with this makeup palette yet. It says Unleash Your Inner Artist right here. So toot. So toot. And I have been watching James for about, I would say, a year and a half now. And I love his personality. He's so bubbly and adorable, honestly. So I'm really proud of him and how far he's come. But let's just get into the palette and see all the colors. And I've seen so many people rave about this, and I love all the looks that he's created with this palette so far. And I'm so excited to use it on my channel. But as you can see from the title of this video, I'm doing a Venom. Venom. I don't know how that came out in the audio, but it sounded cool in my head, so I'm just going to keep on saying Venom. Inspired makeup. And when I say inspired makeup, I'm going to do, if you've seen Venom, you know exactly what I'm talking about. He comes out of Eddie Brock's body, and his face kind of just floats there with the symbiote attached to him, and he's talking to him. I'm going to do the exact same thing, but with my eyeliner. And I'm really excited. I don't think anyone's ever done this, and it just came to me yesterday, this idea. Okay, so I just took off all of my eye makeup, so I'm so sorry about my face. But I'm finally using the James Charles palette. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm gonna take Punch Me and put it on my eyelid. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna be using a whole lot of the palette for this look because it's mainly gonna be focused around the eyeliner. I'm gonna put the symbiote's face right around here. I'm actually gonna pull up a reference photo because, let's face it, I need it. And now I'm just using a white eyeliner pencil to make a V shape right next to my eyes with some dash marks right below it to make the teeth. Now with black eyeliner, I'm going in between where I marked with the white eyeliner and just making it more prominent. And after I did this, I decided to take a makeup wipe and wipe off the white eyeliner I used to do the V on top because it didn't look proportionate compared to the teeth. Now I'm going in and drawing the eyes and the tongue. And using the James Charles palette, I used the brightest red in the palette to color the tongue. Now I'm going in and filling out the rest of the face. Now going into the white shade flashback, I'm going over the top of the eyes. And I was feeling a bit adventurous, so I dipped into the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette and I used the black to continue with the Venom theme. And I'm putting the darkest red on the inner part.
Better prepare to get laced because they're gonna taste my venom. I got that venom, not knowing venom.
Okay guys, that is it for this